How to fix and solve login problem on Glovo app. Hello everybody. If you're having that issue, you may try following up this method. So you can head over the Glovo app first of all, and the first thing you can do is verify your login credentials. So once you open up the app, you will be taken to the login page. Here, you need to ensure that you are using the correct information. Or if you have forgotten your password, you can use the forgot your password or something like that to go ahead and verify yourself and try doing so. Apart from that, you can basically troubleshoot. For that, what you can do is ensure you have a stable internet connection, of course. And what you can do is once you close the app, you can try opening up the application again and see if that fixes the issue. Apart from that, you can restart your device. Long press on the power button for that and look out for restart option and turn your phone off and then on again and see if that fixes the issue. Apart from that, you can try going ahead and updating the app. Go to Play Store or any other available app store and search for Global and then look out for update if there is any available. And apart from that, you can basically go ahead and clear the cache. Long press on the app, go to the info section, and from there go to storage, scroll, go to storage, and basically clear cache and see if it works. So these are some of the solutions you can follow up in order to solve the login problem on Glovo. Apart from that, if you're having more issues, you can basically go ahead and contact the support team directly. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up this method in order to fix this issue. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.